Hang on. So, welcome to Power Outlet, the start of everything that you're gonna find fun in the next probably couple months if this doesn't gain traction. So, let me just break it down for you. Here, I'll put a picture on screen of Ethan. Now, Ethan is pretty much gonna be, I don't want to say the star, but he's gonna be pretty much the star. He's gonna be the one on camera the most. And then we have me. And I'm gonna do a lot of the editing. I'm probably gonna be in a couple of videos like this one.
Wow.
Sam, he's the cameraman. He's pretty much a gentle giant, and I'll put a picture up on screen of him. And I think you guys are gonna have a lot of fun. Now, the OG viewers are gonna recognize me from our old channel, Power Outlet, where it was just me and Ethan pretty much. We uploaded a couple videos, 3 I believe, and each one almost had like 1,000 views.
Weird flex, but okay.
And not gonna lie, I kind of regret deleting those.
Stupid!
Because we could have started up again, but it was kind of stupid. I just deleted it over the summer. But we wanted a redemption. So we've come back, because we're not done. And we're gonna be here for a while, I hope. So get ready for a lot more Power Outlet.